Today on Kitchen Dads, we're doing a tomato, avocado, and cucumber salad. You're gonna love it, stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. This is one of our Super Summer Salads and Sides series. Say that 3 times fast. So I get a lot of people that are asking me, Cliff, I need some great sides. I grill some meat or hamburgers or fish or shrimp, but I need some really good sides. This is a super salad that's gonna be simple and a few fresh ingredients. You can get it done in about 15 minutes. Everyone's gonna love it. So we're gonna start with some fresh tomatoes. Probably about a pound or 2 good sized Roma tomatoes. We're gonna just put them into chunks. Put these in the bowl. Now we're gonna get into our cucumber. If you have English cucumbers, great. Regular cucumbers are fine. You want slices that are about a 1/4 inch thick. If you like them thinner, that's fine too. Some people like to do this with chunks of cucumber, like wedges. I like it in slices. Now we're gonna add in 1/2 of a red onion. This is gonna add a nice little punch to it. You wanna cut it in thin slices. Onion is strong, so you want some really, really thin slices. I'm gonna break these up a little bit before you put them in the bowl. We're gonna add a lot of avocado. If you don't like avocado, I'd probably just 1. If you really like avocado, you can put in 3. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the avocado. It's a neat trick with avocado. You can just cut it down the middle, and then it just peels right off. And you can make some nice wedges out of it. We're gonna add 1 bunch of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, dill works fine too. I'm gonna give it a rough chop. Gotta love summer, all the produce is fresh, herbs are abundant. All right, we're gonna hit this with the juice of 1 lemon. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. About a teaspoon, or about a 1/2 teaspoon really. Now we're gonna mix this up. Make sure to mix it really, really, really good. And again, I did this in slices. If you like to do it in chunks, that's fine. It's totally up to you. Let's go ahead and plate this. Wow, that looks great. It smells great too. I'm gonna give this a shot. Get some of the onion and the avocado. The lemon really comes through. The cilantro gives it a nice punch. It's a lot of crunch, a lot of flavor. You're gonna like this. Your neighbors are gonna like this. Now go out and cook something.